In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in Netlify. If you've decided a site has served its purpose and it's time to clean up your dashboard, this walkthrough will show you the exact path to remove it safely and permanently. First, go to netlify.com and head to your dashboard. You'll see your list of sites as cards or rows. Take a moment to double check the name of the site you intend to remove, especially if you manage several projects. Deleting a site is permanent, so accuracy here matters. Next, select a project and click to open it. This takes you into that site's overview, where you can see recent deploys and quick actions. We're not changing code or builds here, we're only navigating to the place where the delete option lives. From the overview, click on the project configuration area. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a settings or configuration tab in the sidebar or along the top navigation. The idea is the same. You're entering the section that controls how the project is set up. Once you're inside the configuration area, scroll down. You're looking for the section that contains options with more impact, often labeled Danger Zone, Advanced, or similar. Keep scrolling until you see the option related to removing the project from your account. When you see it, click Delete this project. Netlify will prompt you to confirm because this action can't be undone. Read the confirmation carefully. You may be asked to type the project name or acknowledge a warning. Deleting removes the site, its deploys, and associated resources from your Netlify account. If you think you might need anything later, pause now and save what you need before confirming. When you're sure, complete the confirmation and the project will be deleted. As a quick tip, if the site used a custom domain or external DNS, remember that deleting the project in Netlify doesn't change ownership of that domain elsewhere. After removal, review any domain records, integrations, or webhooks you might want to clean up separately. Also, if you're working in a team, it's a good idea to let collaborators know before you delete to avoid surprises. That's it. You went to netlify.com, selected your project, opened the configuration, scrolled to the delete option, and confirmed the deletion. Thanks for watching, and stay organized out there. If this was helpful, consider tidying up any related repositories or project notes so your workspace stays clean.